10-122. So in this problem, Olivia is in a championship golf match and she needs to hit a golf ball over a tree to get on the green for a chance to win the match. She is 100 yards from the green and the tree is 45 feet high and is 30 yards away from her position. She chooses an 8-iron, which has a loft, which is an angle at 38 degrees to attempt the shot. She strikes the ball from the ground with a force that results in initial velocity of 102 feet per second. So write a set of parametric equations to model the flight of the ball. So the first thing I would do is I would like to draw a picture. So I'm going to be hitting a ball, or Olivia's going to hit a ball here. And from here, she has an initial velocity of what? 102 feet per second. So 102 feet per second. The angle here she's going to hit is a 38-degree wedge here. And let's go ahead and talk about where this tree is. So there's a tree that's 45 feet tall, 30 yards away from her position, so 30 yards. Now, since I'm dealing with feet above, I'm going to change that to 90 feet. And she's 100 yards from the green. So here's the tree. That tree is 45 feet tall. And then she is another 100 yards from the green. So this would be 70 yards. And this would be 210 feet. So if I want to write a parametric equation, well, the first piece I can write is the horizontal. So x of t equals cosine, because it's the horizontal, so 102 cosine 38, and then t. Now if I want to go ahead and write the y of t equals, well, I'm going to have gravity that will take place in here, so it's negative 16t squared, plus I'm looking at the vertical, so that would be 102 sine 38 t, and because I'm hitting it from the ground, I don't need to account for being up or down for that, so that would be that equation. Letter B, will Olivia clear the tree that is in front of her? If yes, by how much? Well, what you need to know and realize is she is 90 feet away from the tree, and that is your horizontal distance. And then I'm going to want to know how high it is. So I need to know how many seconds it will take me to get 90 feet. So I will use, for letter B, the x of t. I want to put 90 in for there so I can find out how many seconds she is in the air using the y equation. So 90 equals 102 cosine 38 t. And then go ahead and solve for that. So I'm going to divide by 102 cosine 38. And you're going to get t equals, when you put that into your calculator, make sure you are in degrees, 1.1197 seconds. So so what that's telling you is at 1.1197 seconds, she's at 90 feet away from her position. That's where her ball is. So in order to go ahead and find out how high that is, put it in of y of t. So y of 1.1197 and sub that in. Go ahead and sub that into your calculator. And you will have 50.255 feet. And so since the tree is 45 feet tall and her ball is going to be at 50.25, Olivia will clear the tree by 5.255 feet. All right, letter C. The green has a depth of 60 feet from the trajectory of Olivia's ball. The pin is at the center of the green. Assuming Olivia hits the ball in a direct line with the pin, how far from the pin will her ball land? Okay, so I'm going to draw in the green. So what this means is the green is here. And the pin is directly in the center, it says. And it has a depth of 60 feet. So that means this is 30 more feet. So what I need to do is I need to know, as this ball flies in the air, how far it has gone. So I want to know when it lands. So since I want to know when it lands, for letter C, I'm going to sub 0 in for the y value. So 0 equals negative 16 t squared plus 102 sine 38 of t. And then go ahead and solve it. Now, I would use my calculator, put it in my y equals, and get my outputs. When you do that, you should get t to equal 3.92. You should make sure you can do that in your calculator. Now, what I want to do is I need to find out at 3.92 seconds how far my ball went. So that's when you want to use the horizontal component here of the x of t. So you're actually going to do x of 3.92, put that into your equation and get an output. That output is 315.47 feet. So if you're looking at that, right here is where you start. So you're starting here, and from here to here, that's 300 feet. I'm going 15 more, so 15.47 is up to about there. So how far away is she from the pin? 30 minus that 15.47 means that she is 14.53 feet from the pin.